Hello students, good morning to all. So as you know, in previous video I have discussed about the type of acceleration, and in the type of acceleration we have already discussed about uniform acceleration. In this video I will discuss about non-uniform acceleration. What is non-uniform acceleration? If there is unequal change in velocity with equal interval of time, then this type of acceleration is known as non-uniform acceleration. If unequal change in velocity per equal change in time interval, this type of acceleration is known as non-uniform acceleration. It means sometimes the acceleration change with 20 meter per second square, but sometimes the change can increase or decrease from 20 meter upon second square. So we can understand this by graphical representation. Velocity time graph. Let this is y-axis. Y-axis represent velocity in meter per second square, meter per second, and this is x-axis, time in second. As you know, the slope of velocity time graph will represent acceleration. So let this is x-axis represent time, 1 second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is y-axis referent velocity, and this is 5, 10, 20, 25, 10, 15, 20, 25. At time in second, and this is in meter per second. Let in first second the speed or velocity of car changes 0 to 5. It means initial velocity 0 and final velocity 5. But in next 1 second, the speed of body or object this changes 5 to 15. It means in 2 seconds change in velocity is 10 meter per second. In the next second the change is again 5, it means 1 second. The change take place like this, and the next 1 second, let the change is 2.5 meter upon second square. It means this is 4 and this is, it means if you wanted to draw graph, this is like this. It means this is not a straight line graph. This is not a straight line. If we want to discuss about this change in acceleration, so let first we have to discuss with this interval. So as you know, what is acceleration? Acceleration equal to change in velocity upon change in time. So what is velocity? V minus u upon t2 minus t1. If you want to give the value, let this is t1, t2, t3, t4, t5. So this is interval for t2, t1, and the final velocity 15. Initial 5 and t2 is 2 and t1 is 1. It means 10 meter upon second square. This is this interval. Now for next interval, that we have to discuss with this interval. The acceleration equal to del V upon del T. It means V minus U upon, this is T4 minus T3. What is V? V is 25 and U is 20. T4 equal to 4 minus 3. So this is 5 upon 1. So 5 meter upon second square. It means you can see the interval is same. In both cases, the time is changes with 1 second. But in this case, the velocity change with the rate 10 meter per second square. But this time, the acceleration changes with 5 meter upon second square. So this type of acceleration is known as non-uniform acceleration. Okay, I hope you understand. Now the acceleration, the next type is known as instantaneous acceleration. What is instantaneous acceleration? The rate of change of velocity at an instant. The rate of change of acceleration at any instant is known as instantaneous acceleration. It means this is A equal to del V upon del T. Then limit del T tend to 0. So this is known as instantaneous acceleration. The rate of change of velocity, the rate of change of velocity at any instant is known as instantaneous acceleration. This limit, this represent the time is very small, 10 to 0. It means it is the value of acceleration at a instant. Clear? So these are the type of acceleration. So now I can take a small numerical to understand the concept of acceleration. The speed, or you can take a car start to move with a speed of 36 kilometers per hour. And the speed of car increases in 10 seconds to 72 kilometers per hour. Then find the value of acceleration. You can take this is initial speed, or you can change the language. A car moving with a speed 36 km per hour, and the speed of car increases in 10 seconds to 72 km per hour. We have to find what is the value of acceleration. So according to question, you can see clearly the initial velocity or initial speed of car is 72 km per hour. and the final velocity, this is initial 36 kilometer per hour and the final 72 kilometer per hour. Time is given in second, so it means you have to convert time into hour, otherwise you have to convert the velocity into term of SI system. It means kilometer into meter and hour into second. So as you know, in previous video I have discussed that to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply with 5/18. So this is 10 meter per second, and this value meter per second. Clear? And time T is 10 seconds. Clearly? Now you have to find what is the value of acceleration. So A equal to V minus U upon T. So this is V 70. This is 20 and U is 10, and as you know the time is, what is time? 10 seconds. So A is equal to 10 upon 10. So it means it is 1 meter upon second square. So I hope you understand. So the next topic I will discuss in my next video. Thank you very much.